Hey guys, in this video we're going to do an unboxing of the Ryobi 18 volt 1 Plus. This is a brad nailer. This was $99 at Home Depot. Take a look, see what comes in the box here. The instruction manuals and the gun. Pretty nice. This nailer can power sink up to 2-inch long nails into hardwoods, and it can hold up to 1,900 nails per charge. And it's supposed to be the lightest cordless brad nailer in its class, and it's got a 3-year limited warranty. I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty nice. It's not really heavy. This dial here you use to set the pressure if you wanted to sink nails further or a little less. You just adjust this back and forth to make sure you're not shooting the nail clean through your medium. You get the clip opened up right here. This nail gun also has a no tool feature where you can flip this up and check if you've got a jammed nail, and it just sits back down, clips back across, shuts it back. Okay, and to load it, you just squeeze here, slide it down, slide your nails up to the top there, back up into it, and clip it in. This gun has a safety feature. This has to be pressed against the wall before it'll nail, and then it shoots 18 gauge, and again 1,900 nails per charge is what it says it'll do. And there you have it, the Ryobi 1 Plus 18 gauge brad nailer. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.